Hey, to clear cache on the Microsoft Edge browser, all you have to do is just to click on the three dots in the right upper corner, click on them with the left mouse button, and now you will have to select History. From here, click on this trash icon, and now you can find the clear browsing data. So if you want to remove only cached images and files, you will have to unselect the cookies, download history, and the browsing history. As you can see, only cached images are selected, and you can pick the time range from the last hour to 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or for example, all time. And now all you have to do is just to click clear now, and it's finished. Also, you can actually clear cache files every time you close the browser. And if you want to enable this feature, you will have to move into the settings of your browser. So it is actually located in the three dots in the right upper corner. Open the settings. Then on the search settings, type cache phrase. And now select choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Click on it with the left mouse button. And now we can actually select this switcher. And each time you close your browser, you are going to clear cache files. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.